your girl is on it, okay? Like I have a YouTube book, okay? Stay positive, work hard, make it happen. Like, hey everybody, welcome back. I know it's been a super long time since I have posted any content, candle related or otherwise, but I just wanted to drop in and give you guys an update. Thank you to everyone who subscribed, even though I haven't been posting recently. I really appreciate it. Thank you for almost 7K on my candle science unboxing. That really warms my heart, and so many of you were in the comments like, your channel deserves more views and this is great and you love the content, and I really do appreciate it. So let's get right into it. I want to give you guys a quick update on mostly my candle line, a little bit of life, and what my channel will entail going forward. As you can see next to me, I have some products from my candle line, both new and old products. So I'll take a little bit of time to introduce you to each product, and you can get to know a little bit more about my brand, me, and my life. So to start off, I'm gonna reintroduce the first collection that I dropped, which was my bedroom collection. So the bedroom collection includes 3 candles, and they go by the names of Yes Daddy, Pillow Talk, and Slut Me Out. Okay, yes, I said Slut Me Out. Well, my brand is sort of adult themed and affirmations themed, kind of rolled into one. I really love digging in and creating like quirky little, names for my candles and my melts. And going forward, I will add more to this collection as we grow. Right, so this is the bedroom collection, and this comes in both an 8.5 ounce, and they also come in these 3 ounce votives, super cute. Smells so good. This one is Pillow Talk. It's a lavender scent. So we've got the big mama and the little one, so you can pick whichever one you like. All right, so that's my first collection that I dropped in November of 2020. And then we've got the wax melts for each of these candles, and they come in the 2.5 ounce wax melt, as you can see here. Great. So next up, I'm going to reintroduce the Affirmations Collection. These came in these 3 ounce votives at first. They're 3 cents, but I'm out of one right now. So this is my Affirmations Collection, and we have the scents Abundance, and they all come with a little affirmation. And then we have Worth, and we also have Release, which I'm out of in the votives. So this is Release, and like I said, they all come with different affirmations, and that also includes 3 different scents. And my latest drop, I dropped my latest candle, which is Friday Night Spice, and this is a cinnamon, lavender, and pear-based scent, and it's really good. I think it's a good fall scent, hence the pumpkin spice, Friday Night Spice. That's kind of what I was going for. So this is my fall scent. I will not be dropping any additional fall scents because Christmas is right around the corner and it's the middle of October. So this comes in an 8.5 ounce votive, and it also comes in a wax melt as well as tea light candles. All right, now the last thing that I want to introduce to you is my Discovery kit. These are my tea light candles. So each Discovery kit comes with 6 of my best-selling scents, which include the 3 from the bedroom collection, which is Yes Daddy, Pillow Talk, and Slut Me Out. And then we also have 2 from the Affirmations collection. We have Worth and Abundance, and then we have my Friday Night Spice scented candle. These are perfect for your restroom, or if you have a wax melt, like a ceramic wax melter, these are perfect to use in those. I use them all the time just to like double up on the scent sometimes. Why am I burping? All right, so these are about a 10 to 20% fragrance base. They're highly scented so that the scent can really fill the room. I also have single tea lights available. Those will be on Etsy and Shopify. I like to include some of these in my orders that are over $50, and sometimes just in like new orders, because you know, people may see the name slip me out. People really love the scent, the people that have ordered it, but I feel like the name sort of throws them off a little bit. So I like to sometimes throw one of these in there so they're like, oh, this is what that smells like. Even though the name may be a little bit abrasive, it's okay. It's a grapefruit scented candle and it's really good. So let's get into a little bit of what I've been up to and why I haven't been posting. One, I was working like 2 jobs. We'll get into that in another video. So time was like work, come home, package orders. Things are crazy. And so I loved what I created, but I also wanted to do a rebrand. So that's also why I haven't been as active as I could have been. And so these are the old labels. So this was the label for the wax melt, and this was also the label for the candle as well. And so I just did a little bit of rebranding. As you can see, it's just a little more defined. It looks more like a candle label. And I'm happy overall with the new design. And I will tweak things as time goes forward. I did my rebrand, and the reason I did is because I am launching the official Shopify store. As you heard me mention, the tea lights will be available on Etsy and Shopify. So I've been working on the Shopify store probably about 2 months, and I am a perfectionist, so it's just really hard. Like, in my mind, there's always room for improvement, and I could literally just keep fixing the site. And I'm like, okay, I gotta launch the site. And my mind is just like, no, there's like one little thing that you have to fix, and then it takes like 2 weeks, and then I never launch the store. So the store will be launching mid-October. By the time this video is up, the store will be open. The Etsy shop is always open, but all of the products won't be available. It'll be like the discovery kit, the tea lights, and the bedroom collection. Everything else will be available on Shopify. Now, the reason that I wanted to launch the Shopify store is because I just wanted a place that I could call my own, just in case. I've heard horror stories about Etsy, and Etsy has been really great thus far. I have no complaints. They take their percentage and they leave me alone. But I have seen people who, you know, have had shops for a very long time, and then Etsy's like, oh, oops, your shop is closed. And then what do you do? So I just figure, you know, some people may like to shop on Etsy, some people may like to shop on Shopify. So I'm giving you all options, and these will also be available through Facebook as well in the future. Let's not get ahead of myself. So that was my update on the candle brand and a little bit on life. I will be posting more consistently. I am literally editing 3 videos right now, and then I'm going to shoot a vlog today. Your girl is on it, okay? Like, I have a YouTube book, okay? Stay positive, work hard, make it happen. Like, I'm giving myself like 3 to 6 months to be consistent on YouTube and work it out. Now, we have our content ideas, we have our content written out, okay? Written out. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna grow the channel, we're gonna grow the brand, and I'll update you guys on why I changed the name of the channel and what type of content this channel will consist of going forward. So without further ado, thank you for tuning in. Go ahead, check out the Etsy store, follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.